Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson number 13b, in which we will study grammar. From the first lesson till the end of this one, we have covered 55 words which occur almost 19,350 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI, which is hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, and do it together. In today's lesson, we will take the preposition an, which occur almost 400 times in the Quran, which means with, along with who, hum, ka, I, kum, na, and ha. What's the meaning of an? An means with. Example, radiyallahu anhu, may Allah be pleased with him. There are other meanings of an also, but we take one at a time. An means with, so anhu will be with him. So can you translate anhu with him, anhum with them, anka with you, anni with me, ankum with you all, anna with us. Once again, anhu with him, anhum with them, anka with you, anni with me, ankum with you all, anna with us. MashaAllah. Let's take spoken Arabic. Radiya means pleased, as we have noticed, radiyallahu anhu. So radiya means pleased with. Radin means one who is pleased with. As an example, let us say that Zaid had an issue with his friends, but it is resolved now and he is happy with everyone. So I'm asking, is Zaid happy with him? And you will say, yes, he is happy with him. So let's take that in Arabic. Hal Zaid radin anhu?
Naam, Zaid radin anhu.
Anhu will stay as it is. Hal Zaid radin anhum?
Naam, Zaid radin anhum.
Hal Zaid radin anka?
Naam, Zaid radin anni.
Anka will become anni. Hal Zaid radin ankum?
Naam, Zaid radin anna.
MashaAllah. We have learned Rabbuhu means his Rabb, Rabbuha means her Rabb, Minhu means from him, Minha
from her,
Anhu with him, Anha with her. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.